light to flood the interior. A small wooden deck wraps around the front, perfect for sipping your morning coffee or enjoying starlit evenings under the sky.
You're gonna set me on fire. My brain is flaming. I don't know which way to go. Yeah, your kisses lift me higher, like a sweet song of a choir. And you light my morning sky with burning love.
Inside, the design is both compact and intentional, with a layout that makes the most of every square inch. As you step into the cozy living space, you're greeted by a warm and inviting atmosphere.